Okay, alright, I think we back live. Alright, what's good, gang? In today's video, we gonna be, well, in my opinion, this is some shit that I would make for Drake personally, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying this is some Drake, you know what I'm saying? This is what the fuck I would send to Drake, man, so that's just what that is. But anyway,
combination.
Alright, in today's video, this would be a beat that I send to Drake, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying this is some Drake shit, but if nigga asked me for a pack, there's some shit I'll send to Drake. And the way I can confirm that Drake will run on this is, I got AI.
Oh my God.
Yes. I got AI Drake to lend me a verse to validate that I feel like this Drake, meaning that this song can go to Drake. It validates that this particular beat, I feel like Drake would be able to get on. Okay, so here we go. Oh yeah, one more thing. Thanks for 100 subscribers, man. That shit is incredible, man. But we moving. I'm about to play the beat though.
Yeah.
You have passed the test, Luke King.
I can't stay too patient, cause shorty, you been fake to me. I'm just trying to let you know before I tell you. I can't see us out of place. Get the fuck up out the game. I just need a one-on-one with you before I tell them. I can't keep on getting paid without giving up a play for my people that have made me. I swear I told them I can't keep on throwing shade and expect you to create something better. It's a shame now to let them know that everything a blessing if you round me. 2 phones, mama hit me back saying they found me. Think it's hard to understand my level of accounting. Money tucked away, put it to sleep to dream about me. Pop up out the closet, bless, then it's casual.
I do whatever I want. I counted up
Money for fun.
You know,
Oh man, that's enough of that. Hey, bruh, I'm sorry. I feel like that shit fire, dog. We still going? Oh shit, yeah, damn. I'm fucking up, I don't know. But yeah, bruh, I feel like that shit fire, dog. Like, the AI Drake, let me show you. Alright, first of all, basically what I did was, this is the whole scoop of how I got the AI verse on here. As a matter of fact, I'll just play the AI shit first.
I can't stay too patient, cause shorty, you been fake to me. I'm just trying to let you know before I tell you. I can't see us out of place. Get the fuck up out.
See, basically what I did was I just found one of the AI, cause you know Drake got buku AI songs on YouTube. So I just used one of the AI songs off of YouTube and I stripped the verses, cause you know up in Koala, this is why this shit a fucking fool, dude. Koala got the how you do it? They got the stem separator shit, the split stems. And that's what I did. I took the, as you can see right here, they got the drums, the vocals, the bass, and other, whatever that means, you know what I'm saying? So what I did was I just chose the vocals, and that's what they gave me. Shout out Koala. So I just made a beat around the vocals, and this is what it started off with. So I'm gonna start off with the sample. This is the sample that I started off with. Yeah, so what I did with the sample was I just came over here. All right, so I pitched it down 2 semitones. And this is another one, which I pitched up 3 semitones. I guess there's some type of, you know what I'm saying, correlation there, but that's just what I did to give me my, my beginning, which sound like.
Yeah.
You have passed the test, Luke King.
Yeah, see, it just. That's all it is. And then I pitched it up 12 and did the same thing. And that's just the whole sample right there, basically. I took this sample right here. I took this right here and pitched it down and just played it out. And you can see it up in the playlist right here. That's all I did right there. And then I just pitched it up and did the same thing again. And as you can see, I got my open hi-hat, my regular hi-hat, my clap, my kick. It's real simple. So let me just mute over here so I kind of go through. Mute the vocals. Okay. And I basically just drew everything in. Solo and the hi-hats. Yeah, I mean, it's real simple. That's just the beat right there. Got the 808 on there. That's the Spans 808. And that one right there, I just, that just pitched all the way down, just looping back and forth. So, I mean, I'm trying to get in more detail, but it's not, you know what I'm saying? I drew this in, that's the hi-hats. Oh shit, where they went at? Oh shit, hi-hats disappeared on me. Disappeared on me. Okay, there go the hi-hats, goddamn. But yeah, it's pretty much just loop the whole way through. That's the hi-hats. All the way through. That's the hi-hats. That's on a 2 and a 4. And this B1 right here, this is the actual verse. This is the actual verse. But I got it muted. See, I'm doing too much adding shit. Okay. You can see I just, that might be the 808 actually, my bad. But you can see I just drew them all in, man. But yeah, that's pretty much the beat, man. But like I said, bro, this is the type of shit that I'll send Drake, you know what I'm saying? And the actual vocals on there really sound like this will be some shit that he on, like, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I'll send him, you know what I'm saying? Is influenced by, you know, that hard trap sound he be doing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, oh yeah, look, I want to give you some sauce too. So somebody actually put in the comments, how do I get my beats to knock like this on the iOS? And this is the sauce right here, bro. Like, goddamn, like I'm really about to just get nigga sauce. But what I do is I have Koala open in AUM, you dig? And they got drums that knock clipper. And like, this is what I do. I got AUM and I run my master through, I run my Koala master through AUM, which is this right here. And as you can see, as I be talking about, I got Fab Filter and all this other shit right here. Got Fab Filter, the Pro Limiter and all that type shit. But I don't almost use that because this is the master. And this right here, this is just the iOS. Like I showed you, iOS don't have, they do have everything, but it's its own version. You know what I'm saying? And basically, this is the FL Studio. This is the FL Studio clipper. Cause that's how niggas be getting that fucking Southside, that 808, you know what I'm saying? That, you know what I'm saying, that hard, not, you can just turn your fucking kick up and your 808 and the shit ain't gonna fucking peak, and you know what I'm saying, you ain't gonna be in the red. This is what this is right here. So I just put my drums that knock clipper on my master and I just rock out. So bam, that's some sauce right there. Yeah. But anyway, man, real though, appreciate y'all, man. I really been enjoying doing this. Like, please give me tips. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what I can improve on, because I really think I'm gonna continue to do this, man. But anyway, shout out to y'all, and you already know I'ma see y'all around. Y'all be safe.
Yeah.
You have passed the test, Liu Kang.
I can't stay too patient, cause shorty, you been fake to me. I'm just trying to let you know before I tell you. I can't see us out the plays. Get the fuck up out the game. I just need a one-on-one with you before I tell them. I can't keep on getting paid without giving up a play for my people that have made me. I swear I told them I can't keep on throwing shade and expect you to create something better. It's a shame now to let them know that everything a blessing if you brown me. 2 phones, mama hear me back saying they found me. Think it's hard to understand my level of accounting. Money tucked away, put it to sleep to dream about me. Pop up out the closet, bless. Then it's casual, cause I've been staying proper dressed. Sign the affidavit, fuck it, I don't keep the checks. Find an issue with me, searching for the reason, check. You might not get it if I tell you that I'm more one. Yeah, they might not be good for the long run. Find a way to make $1 till they crown me. It don't matter, it's the marathon we all run. It's been too long, I gotta let them know that I can't decide on the type of chick I want, cause I got options. And I try to let them know how I've been feeling. I said I can't stay too patient, cause shorty, you been fake to me. I'm just trying to let you know before I tell you. I can't see us out the plays. Get the fuck up out the game. I just need a one-on-one with you before I tell them. I can't keep on getting paid without giving up a play for my people that have made me. I swear I told them I can't keep on throwing shade and expect you to create something better. It's a shame how to let them know that I don't beat around the bush, I tell it straight. Ay, handle me like handling the truth. I know I'm intricate. Please, I might just need a sec. You losing every bit. You get the lessons I can teach. You made it feel like I got kids and I ain't